Hi, friends. Wow, going back to school. There are some things you'll have to remember when you go back to school. And I'm going to... Here she is, coughing, sneezing, Katy. And look at... Are we going to sneeze like this? No, I'm going to show you how to sneeze when you're at school or anywhere else so that you don't spread your germs to everybody and you keep your germs to yourself. Are you ready, Coughing Katy? Cover your cough or sneeze. Cover. Here we go. Cover when we cough. With your elbow, like that. Cover when we sneeze. Use a tissue. Cover when we sneeze. Use a tissue. Wash our hands. Let's keep our own germs, please. So let's do that again. Here's our coughing, sneezing Katy. Cover when we cough with our elbow like this. Cover when we sneeze. Use a tissue. Wash your hands. Let's keep our own germs, please. Remember, when you have a sniffle in your nose or a tickle in your throat, cough and sneeze into a tissue. And then wash your hands. Wash your hands like this. Wash your hands. Keep your germs to yourself. And remember, don't touch the T-zone. You see, this is a letter T. And what can you see in the letter T? Eyes, nose, and mouth. Never put your fingers in your eyes, nose, or mouth. So that's the T-zone. Don't forget, never put your fingers in your eyes, in your nose, or in your mouth. Okay? We will stay healthy and germ-free. So I thought I'd show you how to make a coughing, sneezy Katy. And it's just with a cup. Now, if you have a white polystyrene cup, that will work great. Now, I didn't have one. And so I used a clear cup and I put some white paper in. But you can put whatever color you like. If you want to put your skin tone color paper in there, go ahead and it will be you. So I put some paper in there. And that's how you can make your own coughing Katy. Okay, my friends, bye for now.